If you have a Sony a5100 digital camera and you're using it for streaming, one of the first things you'll need to do is to disable its built-in microphone, so that way you can prevent any echoing during your streams. Let me show you how to do that using the current version of OBS Studio's 29.1.3. Now once we have our hardware installed, which is any digital camera and any external microphone, you'll see these two indicators here. These will only appear after you add a scene using the plus button here, and once we add a video capture source, adding the plus button here. Now that could be any digital camera and it could be any web camera. Now mine is the Sony a5100 digital camera, which has a built-in microphone, and by default that microphone is turned on, and we can easily do that to disable here within the OBS user interface by simply coming here. Now by default you'll see here, now we have echo. So this little speaker, as you just saw, it was white. All we simply need to do to disable our built-in microphone is just simply click the speaker, and now it will turn red. Now a couple of things to note. You'll notice here now that these bars are still fluctuating, but they're gray. That just simply means it's disabled, but the built-in microphone is still picking up a signal. It's just not recording it. The second thing to note is if you manually disable the microphone in your camera, regardless of what camera it is, you will still see this indicator, but the bars will no longer fluctuate. That's because it means it's manually disabled in your camera settings. Now in the second part of the video, if you do have the Sony a5100 camera, please stay tuned for that. I'll show you in the next segment how to disable your microphone. If this video has been helpful to you in any way, please consider subscribing and give it a thumbs up. Thank you, and stay tuned for the second part of the video. If you need to disable your Sony a5100's built-in microphone, you'll need to access the camera settings by pressing the menu button on the back of your camera. That'll bring you to this screen here. Press the center button in the middle of the dial wheel, and now that will bring you to this screen. Press it once more, and you'll see the two options here. Simply pressing down on the dial wheel will highlight this option here to turn it off, and you'll press the center button once more. And now you'll see we have now disabled the audio recording, which is the Sony a5100's built-in microphone. And then to escape here, you'll just simply press your menu button twice, and now you'll see you'll be back at the main menu. If you need to reactivate your microphone at any time, just follow these same steps in reverse. Thank you for watching.